And just like that, we have a YouTube channel. Yay! Welcome to FD Linux. This is my first post on YouTube. I hope you're going to press the subscribe button. I think I've got to ask people to do that. I don't really know what I'm doing with the YouTube thing, but please press the subscribe button because it does something. I don't know what. They might send you a new pair of underpants in the mail or something. I don't know what they do, but they say you've got to ask people to press the subscribe button. So please help an old boy out here and press that subscribe button. Now then, today we're going to be de-jargoning a wonderful music software package called Ardour. There's many different ways to download it and install it, but I'm going to show you two today where you can get it quick. One of the things that's very difficult for people entering the Linux world is the jargon that kicks in. So we need to make sure that everyone can use it, and so that's my goal, to make sure it takes all the fear out of Linux and lets everybody enjoy the wonderful free open source world. So let's get on with it. Here we go. Ardour. Get ready, musicians. Go get your old computer. We're gonna give you a new computer software. See you in a minute. And here we are on my Linux machine, and I'm using Ubuntu Mate, which I like a lot. I like the layout. It's a bit Mac-ish, I guess. I'm used to kind of the Mac-y thing. You know what I mean? But that's the distribution I'm using on this. First of all, there's many different ways to download and install Linux packages. What is a package? A package is just basically a compressed file. You know, like you see like a zip file and things like that? It's like Linux's name for a zip file. It's a package, you know. It's one of them jargon things again. So there's many different ways to do it. You can download it from their website. You can do all sorts of things. But the one thing I always try to recommend to people is to download it from the terminal, because it's a lot easier, from the command line. And how do we do that? Well, it's real simple. We go into applications, we go into system tools, and we go the Mate terminal. And then once we get our terminal, and so we type in sudo first, right? Space. And then we just put apt. And then you're going to do a -get install Ardour. That's it. And then hit the enter button or return and type in your password. Bang. And look at that. That's it. That's how simple it is. And so now if we quit that and we go to applications and we look in sound and video, there it is. Ardour. So what's another way we can get Ardour? Another way we can get Ardour is to go to their website. So we're going to go to the internet. We're going to Google Chrome. And we're going to type in Ardour, because it's got to be in here somewhere, because I looked at it yesterday. Hit Ardour here. Now on their website it says get Ardour now. I'm going to click that. It says, what would you like to download a ready to run version of the program source code? Yes, I would. Run the program. Do you want it for Windows, Mac, or we want it for Linux? We want it Airtel, AMD. That's what we want. Download Ardour 8.11 for Linux, Intel, AMD 64-bit. Yep, that's what we want. Choose a payment option. Now, we're not going to pay for it right now. You can if you want. You can see up here, I subscribe to it, so I pay them money because I love what they do, and I like the fact that, it's just a bunch of guys in a bedroom somewhere making this, doing all this stuff for us. So I like to do that, and then they give you a license, but you don't have to. You can get a free demo version if you want. You can do whatever you want, but for right now, we're going to get to download the demo, see if you like it. Download the demo. Hit it, and then it comes up here. So we go up here to our downloads folder, and you can see Ardour. Now watch what happens when I try to click it. I click it, and I get this file. Now why is that? Because I've got to do something first, and this is what we're going to do now. So I'm going to find out where it is, right? I'm going to find it on my computer. So I'm going to go into here. I'm going to go into downloads, and there you can see the Ardour demo. Now I'm going to click it. I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to go to properties. And when I go to the properties, I'm going to go to permissions, and see this one here. You have to click that. I don't know why they don't do that. I have no idea why, because they should just have that come with it checked. Because what it means is now you can just double click it, and it will start to install, and it'll say, "Do you want to run Ardour?" Yes, I want to run it, but I want to run it in the terminal. Just run it in the terminal. Uncompressing Ardour, blah blah blah. Type in the password. Unpacking the bundle, packages, blah, blah, blah. Do you want to run the installer? Yes, I do. Type in Y, bang. Password. Now it's telling me I've already got a removing it, so it's removing the one I did before on the terminal. It's putting a new one in. That's just an old version. Press enter to continue. You won't get all this. This is just the old thing I've got. So now, it uninstalled the other one, and it put this one on, and there's two of them there. I've got the demo there as well, which is the one for free, right? There's actually another way to install Ardour, and that is in the system menu here, in administration, App Center. App Center has a list of pre-picked applications that Ubuntu like to promote, I guess. And so if we just do a search for Ardour to see if it's in their shop, is Ardour in their shop, and we hit return. There it is. It's in there. So we hit it. We're going to install it, and this makes it real easy for you. I've typed in too many. There we go. This makes it really. It just installs like this. You know, and then you just open it, and that's it. It does the same thing. You know, press open, and it's basically just done what the command line did anyway, but it makes it real easy for you. It's like you know, like using a Mac or Windows or something. You just click it and open it, and that's it. And so that is, my friends, Ardour. 3 different ways to install Ardour. And so there we are, quick, simple and easy. Downloaded, installed perfectly with a few command lines, right? And so now you can get an idea of the power of the terminal, of the Linux command line. You only have to type in a few things, and it does a lot for you. So if I was given the choice on how to download it, if you're one of these people looking at this video going, how should I download Ardour? Just go on the terminal, just go on the command line. It's a lot easier. Now then, that's the tips and tricks for today, how to download Ardour. I will say this, you need to press that subscribe button. They keep telling me, they say, don't forget to tell them to press the subscribe button. And I keep saying, why? Why? And they say, because all sorts of things happen when they press the subscribe button. So if you press it, I'm going to see what happens. I don't know what happens, but apparently, you know, good things can happen if you press the subscribe button. So if you've enjoyed this and you like my t-shirt and you like that thing in the background and you like the information and all the rest of it, press the subscribe button, and have a look on the messages, because I've got a bunch of links on there where you can go. I've got full courses on there on Udemy where you can go check it out. How to get it onto a stick and how to download it and put it onto your computer, how to install Linux, and I make it really simple. It's dejargonated, all right? And that's it. Thank you for my very first YouTube. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please tell your friends, tell everybody to press the subscribe button. All right, guys. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.